In this guide, I'll show you how to remove old device drivers from your Windows 11 computer. Now, there could be a few reasons why you would want to remove an old driver. Maybe it's just you want to clean up your PC, or maybe an old driver is causing you issues. So here's how you actually remove it. First, we need to head over to our Start menu and search for Device Manager, and then head over to the Device Manager window. Inside of here, come over to View at the top, and we need to select Show Hidden Devices. And then what we can do is come down to this list here and come through each of these one by one. And what you'll notice inside of here is that any devices that aren't currently being used will be grayed out. As you can see here with the speakers, these two are in color, and you can see slightly here this one's grayed out, and that's because these speakers aren't actually in use anymore. So if we wanted to remove this old driver from our PC, all we simply need to do is right click on this device and select uninstall device. Now we can just go down this list and do this with any outdated drivers. What you're looking for is just any device that is grayed out. As you can see here, this Apple iPhone's also grayed out. Now sometimes just because it's grayed out, it doesn't mean that you're not using the device. It could just simply be that it's not currently plugged into your PC, because as soon as I plug this iPhone into my computer, then this is going to be reactivated. But for all of your built-in device drivers like your display adapters and your graphics cards, then these are things already built into your system, so it would be safe to go ahead and remove these old drivers. Now if I did remove these drivers that aren't currently plugged in like the iPhone, then it's not really going to do too much. Just as soon as I plug back in my iPhone, it's just going to go ahead and automatically reinstall these drivers. So once you've done that, we can close out of the Device Manager window, and the next thing you'll need to do is head back over to the Start menu, and this time search for Disk Cleanup, and then head over to the Disk Cleanup window. Inside of this list, you'll see a bunch of options, but there's no actual outdated drivers within here. So what you need to do is select this cleanup system files down here, and then just give that a few seconds to calculate. And then if we come down in this list here, you'll see this option for device driver packages. Now I don't currently have anything inside of here because I've already removed it, but if you do have old driver files on your computer, then that will be listed here, and then we can just select OK to delete all of these files. Now the last method you can use to remove old drivers is by coming over to your File Explorer, and then just head into your C drive from the left hand side, and we need to come all the way down to this Windows folder, scroll all the way down till you find System32 inside of the drivers folder. And now in this folder, this is where all of our drivers on our computer are stored. So if you do know exactly what driver it is you're trying to delete, then you can just come into this folder and delete the file from here. And that's it guys, those are the three methods you can use to delete old drivers from your computer. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.